Lost your Chime card or need a new one? Here's how to order replacement in just a few steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to order a new Chime card right from your phone. So first, open your Chime app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and go to this account section and click on account settings. And now all you have to do is click on view and freeze debit card. Now from here, you can see you can freeze your virtual card so no one can use it, not even you, or you can also replace your number or your virtual card. So click on this active card, and next all you have to do is tap get started and then just follow the prompts to enter information. Now once you complete your information or verification, Chime will send your new debit card directly to your address, which is simple as that. Now that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.